Okay, Michael, 6 a.m. Time for school.
Okay, one pick left. We'll take the rat.
Now, some of you may be wondering, how do I approach? Well, the answer is if you need your approach, then you want to Mike!
Well, yeah, if you're down, we can watch some TV. Sawyer, is that Michael's homework again? Okay, I'm off to get cat food. You guys be good now. District 3, that's a 10-4. Okay, so the agenda for today is writing tickets. Good afternoon, James. What a guy, James. I tell you, he is as slick as they come. Oh, who is this? A new guy. Some festive music. District 3, we got a code 10.
We're just joining a pursuit. This has been going on since the New Hall Pass on the 5 freeway, southbound.
Put your paws where I can see him. Okay, call it off. Have a good day, sir. See, I can get behind the logic of that trip. When a problem comes up, how could you even know any about it? Or any truth were? Okay, I'm off to school. Michael, forgot my coffee.
Have a holly jolly Christmas, it's the best time of the year. Now I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer.
Phil, welcome to the neighborhood. Can we sing you some Christmas carols? We'll take that as a yes. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. Wing. All right, Michael. Lunchtime. So next week is Mike's cousin's birthday, and we want to make it really special this year. We know she loves Justin Bieber, so we tried dressing up Mike. It wasn't really working out. And then we heard about this crazy wild animal that roams this area, Justin Bieber. And so we're gonna try and catch him for her. It's gonna be crazy. So as you can see here, we've got our net and our Bieber wig, which for whatever reason we expect to lure the Justin Bieber. So there's the bait. Not really working though. Still no sign of Justin Bieber. We're not sure when or why Justin Bieber will choose to reveal himself. But when he does, we'll be ready. Let's go. Bieber pellets. He's close. A lot of good work done today. Still no sign of Justin Bieber. We're gonna try again tomorrow. Oh my gosh. Mike. Got a lot of dishes to do. Gonna take care of those anytime soon. Here we have the living room, and you'll see. Mike, you ready? Hey Mike, have you by chance seen my toothbrush?
I want all of you forever, you and me, every day. Will you do something for me?
Michael.
Just picture your life for me. 30 years from now, 40 years from now, what's it look like?
And they'll always be friends forever.